Hi, my name's Donna. Welcome to my shop. This is my studio and I'm making a brass pendant today. So I hand saw everything. I love the hands-on approach to this jewellery making, and I make sure everything's nice and neat, and I take my time when I saw everything out. I then file everything down to make sure there's no sharp edges, make sure each piece is really smooth and lovely to wear. Then I do a double sand so I make sure all the edges, there's no burrs, and I finish off by using my Dremel or sanding papers to make sure there's no scratches and it's got a lovely shine at the end, because after all I do really love shiny things, so it's the perfect way to finish my pieces. So after I've done that, I'll just do a little inspection. I get to the fun bit. I do lots of hammering. I love hammered brass. This is a technique which I'm really into at the moment, so you'll find a few of these pieces in my shop. I hand make all my jewellery findings as well. So here I'm making the brass rings. So not only is it great to just get hands on and make everything from scratch, it also, the colour matches throughout each piece. So I really like that. That's really cool. And now I'm drilling the holes for the necklace, so make sure everything's nice and aligned, and I'm attaching a gold-plated chain to this necklace, which is around 18 inches. I can shorten and lengthen chains, so if you do need a chain that's a bit longer, then just let me know. I can customize any piece of jewellery because everything's made in-house in my own studio. And there we go, a finished necklace which is really shiny and lovely and got a fantastic texture. So if you like this or anything else in my shop, then have a little look around, and I'm here to chat anytime if you need any help. Thank you, bye bye.